All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. We're going to be looking at cases for the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let's get straight to it. This case here is a different style of case. It takes the AMOLED fiber and also it does it as a frame, but a different look here. And this is it right here. And I really like this eclectic look right here because it covers the camera bar, but then it exposes the sides a little bit. So if you have a black version of this phone, you'll really probably like how this case looks on your phone. But with the blue, I found that it still looks very nice. So with that being said, it's probably gonna look nice on all colors, but the black phone will probably give the best sleek look if that's what you're looking for. So this is a full coverage frame here. So as you can see here, meaning the sides are exposed here. And this bottom portion is exposed. You can see here the MagSafe technology. I mean, they're really going in here with this very strong magnet. Whoa, that's strong. So this case here goes for the iPhone Air. And it is if you're a person who likes the iPhone Air, look at how it looks for you now. Oh my gosh, this is so sleek and so nice. And I like the it's just like how they put this together. It just looks really, really sexy, really strong. So check this out. It lets you know where you're at on the back and where you are here. Then you've got some little design elements here. You just can't beat that. On the bottom, I actually think it looks good with this color. Now I'm kind of looking at it a little bit longer. Take a look at how it's covering this bar here. I think that's one of the most sexiest and sleekest things about it. So let's check out for the, I got a different color for the Max. Now the Max, this is a different case. This isn't the same case. This is a different case here for the Max. Get this rubber seal in here. And that's to protect your camera bar. I'll put it back on there. But you got the little safety seal here. There we go. This is, and they use recycled paper for sure. So let's bring in the Max here. And this goes down. Make sure you put this down in here first. And it's just to give that extra thickness and protection for the camera bar. But check that out. This has got to be one of the sleekest and sexiest cases you could ever get for the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. Oh, boy, is this clean. This is different and different in a good way. Oh my gosh. I love the accents on the buttons here. I love this entire design back here. It's letting you know, hey, this is a MagSafe product, and bam, this is crazy right here. Oh man, that's a strong magnet. Yeah, this is a sleek and sexy case. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that. Now, they also have some other items that you could pick up. What did I do with them? Oh, here we go. You got MagSafe stands. What did I do with it? Oh, here we go. You would be amazed at all the stuff I have on my desk. Here's a MagSafe stand if you decide you want to use this as well. Again, they use all recycled paper, so it's really good here. Check this out. Boom, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is clean. It's got these different little layers inside of it. Sweet. So you can change it to black or silver by switching this out. Look at that, man. Oh my gosh. That is a strong, strong magnet, man. That's clean right there. And obviously this will work on all the phones. But you see you can tilt and pan around. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is one of the best looking stands I've come across for MagSafe. I mean, it really plays the part. Look at this. It's nuts. It's articulating. This is crazy right here. I like this, man. Let's change out the back portion here to show you how it's done. You just pop that portion out, and then you pop this black one in. It kind of slides in there. Come on, buddy. This is man, this is the world's strongest stand ever. You can see how it looks on that side. And you just pop it on. That is nuts. And it's articulating too. This is sweet, man. I tell you, it does not get any better than this, folks. This is a very nice setup right here. These cases are very nice. I will leave a link in the description so you can grab yours. But it's your man, Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me this isn't the most fire case ever. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is one of the sleekest cases. I could probably label this probably the best looking case that I've seen for the iPhone lineup, period. This is crazy. And this is the frost version. It does come in different colors, but this is the frost version. God, oh, this is a win. Buy this case, man, right now.